All right, guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys the ATR indicator, what it is and how I utilize it to milk the Boom 1000 and Crash 1000 markets, right? So you guys just stay put, make sure that you watch this video to the end to get full information on how this powerful indicator works, of course, with a powerful strategy that I'm going to show you guys. All right, if you see on my chart, the blue area here is an area where we took this trade, myself and my VIP members. All right, we took this trade. Let me show you guys. We took this trade. I even shared the analysis. All right, this is when we enter the trade, and then we're able to catch this much profit. All right, so with this powerful strategy, you could do this on your own, guys. You could do this on your own. All right, so I'll share all this information with you guys, so just stay put. Make sure you watch this video till the end. All right, so subscribe also to the channel if you haven't done that yet, because I want to be sharing very informative content with you guys every week. Possibly I'll try to make sure I bring to you guys content every week that will help you stay profitable in the market. All right, I don't want anybody thinking the forex is a scam, trading is a scam and all of that. Somebody chatted me from Botswana some days back, and it was telling me the country don't believe in this. They don't believe trading is real. All right, but you guys can do a lot of this on your own and make a lot of money for yourself and prove anybody wrong. You know, that's why I'm sharing this powerful stuff with you guys. So just make sure that you follow the instructions correctly and be able to do this perfectly on your demo account. Be good first before you get to apply it on your live account. So before I get to delay make the video too long, let me quickly show you guys how this works. All right, so first of all, you don't want to use this indicator blindly. You don't want to enter a trade blindly. All right, so you want to first of all understand how to read the market with your naked eyes, understand the market direction and all of that. But before we get to that, what is the ATR indicator? All right, so the ATR indicator measures volatility in the market. All right, it measures the average of like 14 candlesticks printed on the chart, right? So I'll show you guys the setting. Of course, it's period 14. So yeah, the levels is 2. You can see the style. I'm using this color. You can use any color of your choice, but always make it bold, right? So just make it just keep it at the second the pixel, keep it at the second level, right? So make it bold in your chart, right? So just click done when you're done with that, and that's all, guys. That's what you need for this strategy, right? But how does this indicator work? How do you use it? How do I use it to make profit for myself? I'm going to show you guys right about now. As you can see, I entered the market again. I sold again from this region. So I'll show you how this thing works very soon. Let me just quickly close out, and then when I come back, I'll show you everything, guys. Just stay tuned, guys. All right, welcome back, guys. So I had to quickly close out those positions so I can comfortably show you guys how this works. So like I said, you don't want to be trading blindly, right? You don't want to just depend totally on this indicator. So we'll talk about price action a bit. You need a fair knowledge of price action, guys. It's very important. You need to be able to tell the market direction. For this strategy especially, you need to be able to understand where the market is going to. You need to see the direction of the market before you make any trading decision, right? And that's what price action helps you do. Price action will show you the direction of the market, will show you areas of possible reversal, you know, will give you proper entries and exit points and all of that. But this indicator is going to help you too. So just make sure you have a fair knowledge of price action. It's very important. Get somebody to teach you. All right, get somebody to mentor you, somebody you feel you can learn from. If that's me, you just click on the link on the description of this video. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number there, so you can just chat me up. All right, so yes, for this indicator, you you want to wait always. Okay, I'll just close those positions out. You want to wait for a spike to happen, right? You want to wait for a spike to happen. You want to wait for the spike. Once the spike happens, right? This is Boom 1000. You want to be selling, right? Forget about the idea of wanting to catch spikes. And by wanting to catch spikes, you know you should be buying. And if you want to be buying, you want to see the market direction on an uptrend, all right? But in this case, the direction of the market, we are getting to that part. But you should just know the direction of the market is downwards. That's why we need to be selling. Okay, and this is going to help you catch a couple of candlesticks and leave the market like a boss. You don't fear for spikes, you don't fear for losses and all of that. So this is what you do. You just allow a spike to happen. All right, allow a spike to happen into this level. All right, so allow this indicator to come up into this level to here. All right, so guys, this is how this indicator works, right? Like I said, it measures volatility in the market. Now we know this is a downtrend. Since this is a downtrend, look at this, guys. All right, so whenever this indicator, whenever you see it move, come to the level here, right? It means volatility is pumped up, right? It means the trend, there's a lot of volatility. The selling pressure is more, right, at that point. So you see, the next thing that happens is just you see the candlesticks that brings the price down. All right, let me show you in other areas that's not clear enough. Okay, so look at this place, look at here. You see price, this indicator moves all the way up. That means there is a very big push on volatility. And remember, this is a downtrend, so the pressure to sell is more at that point, right? The volatility is more, the selling pressure is more at that point. That's why you see this indicator move fast, to show you how strong it moves up, to show you the strength, the volatility level. And at that point, you see how it's going to drop. A lot of candlesticks will drop, guys. A lot of candlesticks will push price downwards. All right, once it does that, like what happened here, as it came to this level 2, you can see there was a spike at that point, and then it started dropping. All right, it started dropping. I didn't catch this from the top here. This would have been the perfect entry, but I knew it was going to keep dropping until there is another until it gets to the lower area here where it will spike again. That's why I still entered the trade again. I know it was going to still push downwards, right? So what you want to do is allow your indicator to come up to the level 2 here, and then you follow it all the way down. Now this indicator measures volatility in the market, right? First of all, where is the market direction? That's what you want to do first. Forget about this, what you need to check on the indicator yet. First of all, the market direction on a higher time frame. All right, this is a bit of price action we're talking about. So you want to go to a higher time frame and know the direction of the market. And obviously it is a downtrend. You can see series of lower highs and lower lows. This is a high, this is a lower high here. All right, you can see a lower low down. All right, another lower high. Now it keeps creating lower lows and lower highs, so that clearly indicates a downtrend. Okay, that clearly indicates a downtrend. So the next thing you want to do is, on this downtrend, right, you want to pick out that points where there is continual reversal. You want to see where reversal happens frequently. So this is one point, this is another one, this is another one. So you place your horizontal line around that area and make that area where you are interested in. Make it your area of interest. Make it where you want to trade from. That is where you want to enter your trade from. Okay, so long as you have that area correctly, you have it in mind that that is where you want to be selling from, because you know, of course, you want to be selling from your resistance. If you are to sell any financial market, right, you want to be selling based on technical analysis, based on price action. You want to be selling from your resistance, right? So you have that at the back of your mind. And then we know the direction of the market. Like I said, it's very important that you must know the direction of the market. You also know your resistance area. You know, you have where we have the horizontal line here. You have marked that point as your area of interest. Yeah, that's where you want to be taking your trade from. So you can then switch to the 1 minute time frame and look out for, of course, you need to use the first zoom level, right? Look out for when the market will spike back to this level 2 here. When it does that, when it does that, that's when you strike. If it does that and you go back to your higher time frame, you might notice that price is around your resistance area. And you also look out for candlestick formations, right? If you know the candlestick formations, anyone that you are familiar with, if you see clearly there, you see rejections around that area, you see bearish engulfing candles around that area, you don't even need to know this, guys. You don't need to know this. Long as your market, your price that area, and you see rejections, you see price pulling back from that area, and then your indicator spikes to this level, right, to the level 2 here on the 1 minute time frame, on the what is it called, on the first zoom level, right, the first zoom level, you want to be selling at that point. Okay, you want to take your sell at that point, catch a couple of candlesticks. I suggest just take like 6-7 candlesticks, or maybe 10 candlesticks at most, and you're out of the market. This way, guys, if you sit in front of your computer or in front of your phone, if you do this, you definitely find many opportunities as far as the market is in a downtrend, right? As far as you see a clear long-term downtrend, as you see a downtrend on the higher time frame, and you're definitely going to be seeing plenty of opportunities. Look at this, guys. Let me back test so you see. All right, you see each time price comes, spikes into that area, it drops back, right? So it spikes here, it spikes above that area, and then you see how many candlesticks dropped here. So depending on your account size, you know how much you want to risk, you know how much you want to target also. All right, you can make a lot of money for yourself, guys. You can do this every day in the comfort of your home, guys. Long as you have all of these conditions correctly, guys, you can make money just sitting down in your house with your computer, right? So when people say forex doesn't pay, I really don't get it. Like, you guys are just doing it wrong. So guys, practice this. Make sure you understand it perfectly, and then apply it to your account and make money for yourself, guys. Be very careful. You don't have to be greedy. Catch 6 candlesticks and you're out of the market. Depending on your lot size, you can make as much as $100-$200, you know, and you know you shouldn't risk too much if your equity is not big enough, right? So this is a very powerful strategy, guys. Make sure you digest it, make sure you read it properly, make sure you understand it properly, and then go make money for yourself. So you can see it happens every time. All right, it happens every time. But like I said, always look out, know the market direction. You don't want to trade blindly. All right, so I'll be dropping the link to our Telegram group so you can join us, see how much we're having fun and making money at the same time on our group, guys. Be a part of what we have there. All right, I'll drop the link on the description of this channel so you can just join us. All right, join us. Make sure you join us. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. Please do it. It motivates me, it makes me believe that I'm reaching out to a lot of people who are actually benefiting from this. All right, so that keeps me bringing more to you guys. All right, so stay glued to the channel, subscribe, drop good reviews, like this video, share it to your friends, and please, if you must join my group, my free Telegram group, join from the link on this video, on the description of this video, guys. I've seen a lot of people, or I've been caught to I've noticed people are using my platform. They're using side effects on Telegram and creating fake platforms and using that to rip people off. You should really be careful, guys. Don't go searching side effects on Telegram. Make sure you follow it here. Make sure you follow the link on the description of this video. So guys, stay safe. Make sure you practice this. Make sure you understand it, and go make money for yourself, guys. See you on another video.